Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'll be looking at activity 17a. The question says open the file activity17a.rtf, change the page size to A4 and orientation to portrait. Okay, so let me just do that first of all, which is the first sentence. Okay, so let me open activity17a.rtf. So I want to open my source file. I want to go to chapter 17 and then open this. Right now, before I go on, I want to save it as task 7, activity 17 A. Okay, so let me just look for my okay, yeah, this is 17 A. So I want to save it as a Word document. All right. So it's going to be activity 17A, which is okay. I think it's okay the way it is. So I'll save that. Yes. Okay. Okay. So what's so it says that the page size should be A4. So you want to go to layout. Let me just open the dialog box here. I want to go to paper here. You want to make sure it's in A4 right here. Let me see what other thing. I can't remember. What was that? So orientation is supposed to be portrait. So you want to go to margin. You want to set the orientation to be portrait. I'll okay that and see how it looks. Oops, it's funny. Well, let's go on. Okay. Set all the margins to 4 cm and remove the gutter. Okay. So let's go back right there again. So we want to first of all set all the margins to 4 cm. So I'll just do that. The bottom and the outside. Okay. So I want to make the what's it called, the gutter. I want to make it 0. So remove the gutter. Let me be sure of the page orientation. Okay, so 4. So we're good. And yeah, so let me just okay that and see how it looks. No, fair enough. Okay, so done. So place the date on the left. Okay, the file name in the center. Okay, so let me just so of course in the head, it has to be in the header, right? So the name at the left. So I want to go to insert. You want to go to header. I'll take this. So my place the date on the left. Okay, so I want to place a date here, date right here. Today's date is 27th April, so I'll just use that. Center should be the file name. So I want to quickly go to document information. I want to have file name right there. So I'll click on the right. I want to have what's the next one? The time on the right. Okay, so time. So let's have time right there. Waste time. So here, no time here. So I'm gonna go to file. So I want to go down to, is it time? Let me see file. Okay, so let me go to T. So waste time. Okay, that's it right there. So I want to take this one. I'll okay that, and that's it, right? So I'll exit that. Okay, so what's the next? So everything here done. Yeah, I will just select everything here. Yeah, that's it. Place your name on the left and an automated page number on the right in the footer, right? Okay. So I'm going to go to open the file. So insert, go to the footer. You want to use this again. So let me see. Place your name on the left and then automated page number on the right. So I want to remove the center. So my name should be here. So I'm going to, which is the left. So I'm gonna let is my name. All right. So here I want to add the page number. So you want to go to page. You want to insert the page number at the current location. So and this is the type of page I want, and then I have it right there. Okay, good. So what's the next thing here? Ensure that the header and footer are 2 cm from the top and bottom of the page respectively, right? Okay. So what we want to do, we want to go to also a header. Okay, so let me just click on that header. So it will be selected here. So you find out that it's about 2 cm. Sorry, 1.25 cm from the top. So I want to take it to 2. As you can see, it's shifting, right? So I want to make the same thing, do the same thing for the footer. So I'll close that. So that's it. What's the next thing there? So print the document, save the file with a new file name, so which is activity 17C, sorry, 17A, which I've done already. Okay. So thank you so much. I think that's about it. So I will just simply save my changes. All right. So thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next one.